When you first open up the book module in Lightroom, you'll see your book displayed in this format. You see the back and the front cover, followed by your pages, all the way to the very end sheet. This is one of three views that you can see your book in. So we can see it as a whole book, which we call the page ladder, or you can choose to see it in two-page spreads. And we choose these options down here in the bottom left. And so by clicking this middle one now, we see it as a two-page spread. And this page on the left, page number 2, is highlighted in yellow. So now if I select this right icon, which shows an individual page, then I will see just that page. And that is how I navigate, by choosing two-page spread, or I can choose all of them. There are keyboard shortcuts and to navigate as well. So if you're someone who likes to do keyboard shortcuts, to access all of the pages, it's Command E. To access the two-page spread is Command R, R for read, and Command T for one page. So again, back to our full page ladder. We also can use this bottom middle option box to navigate through the pages. It's particularly helpful when we're in a two-page spread or a single page. We can see how that is helpful. So now I can flip through my book as if I'm reading it and it's in my hands. So this is what your book will look like as you flip through it. And again, we can flip through it in that same way when it's a single page. So just by clicking on those arrows, we can easily navigate through the book. Which is where it's helpful if you've got, you can imagine, over 100 pages in a book, that to be able to come back up to this view and then quickly scroll down to see and select some of your other pages. Now the other thing I want to mention is that you've got this thumbnail slider down here in the bottom right, and that allows you to change the size of these thumbnails. So slide it to the right to make them larger, and slide it to the left to make it smaller. There you go. I hope you have fun playing with these different views.